Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a reversible bread basket liner for the holidays, special events, or whatever you'd like. For this project, you will need a threaded sewing machine using a zipper foot, iron, ironing board or pad, 2 different fabric designs, coordinating double fold bias tape either size 1/2 inch or 1 inch, which doesn't really matter, it's up to you, but enough for the trim of the liner, fabric clips and pins, marking pen, pencil or tailor's chalk, scissors, tape measure. Also, a basket. Pre-wash the fabric since cotton will shrink. Measure basket adding 3 additional inches to the length and width so it can hang around the sides as shown. Measure and cut both fabric designs to match your basket dimensions. Fold fabrics in half lengthwise, then fold another half from right to left, and use a medium-sized bowl or something with a larger size round edge, and use a marking pen or pencil to draw a curved line around the edge. Then trim off the squared edges of the fabric, which will form a rounded edge. While fabric is still folded, lightly press the bottom fold with an iron to mark the center of the liners. Lay liner fabrics over the top of the basket, then place the crease portion across the center of the basket and press downward with your finger until you reach the bottom of the basket. Push the fabric down in the corners to see if the liner is too long or too short around the sides to find out if you need to make adjustments. Cut tiny slits no more than 1/4 of an inch into all 4 curved corners, but be careful not to make slits too long since you need to attach the bias tape around those curved edges. Press out the folds from the bias tape. Attach and pin bias tape around the edges. Begin stitching bias tape approximately 4 inches down from one end of the bias tape since you'll need to connect another end piece to it, and stitch close to the bias tape around all sides. When you get to a curved corner, slow down and make sure the bias tape is inserted correctly in that area as you stitch. When approaching the other end of the bias tape to connect end pieces, backstitch a bit before removing it from the machine. Then cut the bias tape straight, a bit over 1/4 inch past the first end of the bias tape. Unpin the first end of the bias tape, then open the bias tape. Turn one end face down and fold the fabric in half, then line up the other end with the first end. Pin together, then stitch both ends together approximately 1/4 inch. Finger press seam open, then fold bias tape back up as it was and place back over the edge of the fabric and finish stitching. Clip all loose threads. Open liner over your basket, then find the center as before and press with your finger or hand down into the basket, making sure all sides are even, and you're done. You now have a nice bread basket liner.